I've talked into a bright light before, but this is the house that we bought. Sorry?
This is the house that Jack built.
You'll blow your camera. Anyway, we'll show you through the house, and it's very basic at the moment. It's just got to be done up. Don't trip over the ladder. This is the front room. It was covered in scrim and about 10 layers. 10 how many? 4. 10 times 4.
Pretty rough, isn't it?
4 layers.
Look at this wall.
Yeah.
Dad, you won't be picking that up. It'll be too dull.
Look at that wall.
Kids are over the road laughing at their walking around.
Look at that rotten window.
Anyway, come out. Turn the light out before you go.
In the doorway is Mrs. Gigi. She doesn't want to be on camera tonight, but she's on regardless. But this is Mrs. Gigi going towards the gate, and she's going around the corner.
That's the house!
In front of the house now. She's in this property business.
Oh, I thought you were doing the house.
He's trying to be obnoxious. We're for sale.
This is the dining room.
I can probably sell this TV to broadcasting, it's so good.
Anyway, on the floor here, it had a layer of carpet, a layer of linoleum, and then a layer of 1938 newspaper, which I've kept for myself.
Neat little fireplace, isn't it? Over here we have a statue of Mrs. Gordon. No, it is Mrs. Gordon.
What's the G on?
And this is the back bedroom in here.
Right. No lights yet. This is not going to be a very good picture. No lights in this old bedroom. Sloping floor.
This is one of the newspapers from 1938. One of the things that interested me was Field Marshal Goring there about Hitler visiting Rome. And this is New Zealand Christchurch Star-Sun, and it talks about Hitler going, as I said, to Rome to meet Mussolini, and Field Marshal Goring is looking after Germany. It describes the two leaders as the most important people in the world at the time. There's another article here, Japan preparing for a long war, and it's against China. This is obviously pre-World War II. And here's the bathroom, but I better not go in because there's not room for two of us. Beautiful little place.
Funny little basin. Yeah.
The sink's really amazing.
Stained old bath. We're trying to get rid of the rust stain.
And the bath, but it won't come out of the room.
Because there's a little bit of a leak from the plumbing, from the cylinder. Stove's not so bad. Bench isn't too bad.
Yeah, it is. It's quite good.
And this is the star piece of the house. As you can see, it's got the most modern washing machine and sink set that you could have.
Not many people have washing machines like that.
The floors, Dad's got to give some attention to.
It goes downhill all the way.
And the back door here is where the flood comes in. You can see
and
the
the grass
tide mark along here. It's a slummy old post, but we'll try and do something with it. Did you ever go?
On a fridge.
Say it again.
Yeah.
I reckon it might have been for a, that's a bench high fridge.
I think you might be right.
And there's another hole behind the door here.
Oh, well, I don't know what that's for.
That's where they used a bit of firewood to keep the fire going. Almost 2 years later, the place is at last sold. John's doing some final touches up to the plumbing. Note the new window. The old door replaced with a window. Everything painted and pretty here. Fence all straightened up. Sleep out painted. And the window installed at one end. New stainless steel tubs on the laundry. And in the bathroom, the bath all nice and white, and a shower. Dining room looking tidy. Bedroom floor all straightened out. Note the new carpet and drapes. And Graham's bar all shining with polyurethane. A lot of work by Gale and Graham painting in this room. Main bedroom with the walls upgraded. New window and a well finished wardrobe with folding doors.